Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 fingers. No injuries. Gotta be mindful of that. Good safety. All 12 fingers. Okay. Man, holy dust. Holy dust. This is wild. To blow my nose. Okay, so this is the aftermath of that one. Probably already cracked. Let's give it a little love. Kitten love. Smart. Let's try to stop the future splits as well. Might have a splinter. Tight and cold. I am a little bit chilly as well. A little bit spent as well. But the good kind. Okay, we gotta give them probably a bit of a Sam. Okay. Beautiful. We need to fill these holes as well, probably. But that's just the usual Wednesday night AO. So let's see. I still have to do the thicknessing on the back pieces. Is the queue working? Get scammed, Barry. Kick you. How deep is your love? That song's a fucking jammer, by the way. Very suggestive, but also a certified jammer. That's a big one, Larry. I mean, Doof. Okay, let me just make sure I didn't forget anyone. Yep. Looking good. So, okay. This is exciting. Okay, we gotta stay inside that line. Already running out of juice for this pencil. You know what? I actually do. It's a makeup pencil, I think. Dermatograph. Look at how you sharpen this thing. But this is like a oily one. I wouldn't actually use it for wood. It's got this little string.